Hi, I'm Justo Hidalgo. I'm the author of Patterns of Emergence, How Complexity Drives Artificial Intelligence. Thanks for stopping by. Let me ask you, have you ever wondered how something as powerful as human intelligence or even a smart AI can come out of parts that, by themselves, seem pretty dumb? Cells, bits, and bytes? Think of ants building complex colonies without a plan. Or how our brains, made of billions of neurons, somehow produce a sense of self, of me talking to you right now. That's emergence. This book explores this phenomenon or emerging properties and what it means for how we build, understand, and live with artificial intelligence. In Patterns of Emergence, I bring together stories and ideas from nature, society, and technology. We will look at how systems create behavior that's more than the sum of their parts. From bird flocks to financial markets or deep neural networks, we see that everywhere. So yes, the book is about consciousness, but also about more grounded examples. How AlphaZero discovered strategies humans had never taught, how GPT models reason in ways we still don't fully understand, or how governance and ethics in AI are tightly connected to this idea of emergence. But don't worry, this isn't a technical manual. It's written for curious people. You don't need to be a programmer or scientist to enjoy it. If you're fascinated by how complexity gives rise to intelligence, this book is for you. The book is organized like a journey. We start by understanding what emergence really means, what qualifies something as emergent, and how it differs from just being complicated. Then we move through nature and society, from cells to consciousness, from cities to collective intelligence. After that, we zoom into AI, how machine learning, large models, and agent systems are exhibiting emergent properties, some expected, some not. Finally, we explore what all this means for governance, alignment, responsibility, and even what might come next. I've worked on AI and emerging technologies for years, and I kept seeing the same pattern. People either oversimplify how AI works or overhype what it can do. But what's really happening is more subtle and more powerful. I wanted to write something that bridges that gap. A book that helps us think critically, with imagination, and responsibly about where intelligence comes from and where it's going. Also, I love writing. This is my fourth book, and probably the most personal one. If you're a technologist, a philosopher, an artist, a policymaker, or just someone who's curious about how complex systems shape the world, then Patterns of Emergence might give you new ways to think. You can grab your copy on Amazon in hardcover, paperback, or ebook, and if you do, I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if you've read any of my other books, welcome back. Thanks again for watching. Complexity is everywhere, and so is intelligence. Let's figure it out together. Take care, and enjoy the read.